Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn after moving states with location targeting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile picture in the top left corner. Click on your profile picture to access your profile. Once on your profile page, locate the Add Profile section button. Click on that button to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Recommended. Then choose Add Skills. Scroll to the section where it allows you to edit your location. Click on the pencil icon next to your current location. A new window will open, prompting you to enter your new city. Type in the name of the new city where you've moved. Once you start typing, suggestions will pop up. Select the correct option. After selecting the city, move to the Location drop-down menu. Here, ensure that the correct state is selected based on your new location. Next, check the Open to Work section if you're looking for job opportunities. If yes, click on Add Location Preferences to customize your job search area. You can specify proximity options based on your new state. Once you have completed editing, click the Save button. Make sure to review your profile to ensure all information is accurate. Finally, scroll down to the About section and update any relevant information. This will help potential employers or connections understand your current situation better. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.